This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Dana Nelson. Build your dream home in this 1.38-acre rolling lot in the upscale 1300 subdivision. Enjoy privacy, a year-round mountain views, deeded Lake Nottely access, boat ramp and dock with multiple slips, stables, pasture, luxurious pool and clubhouse, gated entrance, wide roads, underground utilities, fiber optics, and the pristine mountain lake surroundings. All for an amazing price. Easy access to Highway 515, Blairsville and Blue Ridge. Lot can be accessed from Valley Crest Drive and or Ridge Pointe Way. For more information, review the details below or contact Dana Nelson at 706-745-3500.